El Hospital, I need your help. My patient's dying.
What's going on in here?
My password. I'm locked out. It's unnecessarily confusing. It's the limit of x as it goes to 1. 1 minus x plus the natural log of x divided by 1 plus the cosine of pi times x.
Well, did you plug in 1 first?
No. Plug in 1. 1 minus 1 plus, what's the natural log of 1?
0. That's a common rule everybody should know.
You're right. 1 plus cosine of pi. What's cosine of pi?
Use a unit circle.
Unit circle. 0. Pi over 2. Pi. Negative 1. 1 minus negative 1 is 0. 0 over 0. But that's impossible!
Well, you have to use L'Hopital's rule.
El Hospital, that's almost like your name.
It's L'Hopital. L'Hopital's rule says that the limit of a quotient of functions is equal to the limit of the quotient of the derivatives.
I need some more space then. Jeez. So just take the derivative of the top and divide it by the derivative of the bottom?
Yes.
Well, the derivative of negative x is negative 1 plus 1 over x divided by, what's the cosine of pi? Chain rule, pi times negative sine pi of x.
Yes.
Now what do I do? That's
Plug
not my
in 1
answer.
again.
Plug in 1 again? Why?
Because you have to see if it...
If it equals 0 over 0, like your
Yes,
name! Oh my gosh! Alright, so now I plug in 1, negative 1 plus 1 over 1, that equals 0, times pi, negative sine of pi, what's that?
0.
How do you know that?
The unit circle.
The unit circle, I gotta get better at this. Practice always helps, you know? 0, pi over 2, pi, okay, pi, that's 0. You said that, I should have known. I just trusted L'Hopital. I mean El Hospital. I mean L'Hopital.
It's L'Hopital.
0 over 0. I did it again! What does that mean?
Well, that means you have to keep taking the derivative of it.
The derivative again, gosh.
Of that
Your
equation
name is
right
so...
there. In
That one?
Yes,
Oh,
that one.
Of course. Common sense, gosh. Alright, derivative of, that's 0, of course, I knew that, of 1 over x is x, negative x to the negative 2.
Yes.
Divided by. Chain rule again. This is pi squared, negative, no, positive, something, times negative cosine
of pi
of
x.
pi x.
Yes.
And now what? Now I plug in 1 again. Oh my
Yes,
gosh,
you're
El
getting the hang of
Hospital,
this.
L'Hopital.
It's L'Hopital.
Gosh,
Save
I'm
more
learning
time.
so many things.
I will club you with my broken wrist.
Oh dear lord. Alright. Plug in 1, negative 1 to the negative second. That's just gonna be 1.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes.
1 over. It'll be negative 1 because it's negative 1. I believe it. Alright. Pi squared times the opposite of cosine at pi.
Unit circle.
Unit circle. You're right. Every time it gets me. 0. Pi over 2. Pi. It's going to be negative 1. But negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. I'm a doctor, guys. Alright. I'll be right with you, patient. Nikolai, gosh. Alright. Now it's negative 1 over pi squared. That's the password. Oh,
You got it.
who needs this whiteboard anymore? Gosh. Alright.
Are you getting it? Sir, what's happening?
I'm still denied. I can't. Let me just pull the... I'm encrypting the password. Unencrypting it. This is the cryptor. The password encryptor.
You got it.
I'm almost there.
Yes! Oh,
Nikolai.
who is it? Is he saved? Nikolai.
Nikolai.
He will be free.
Andreshko.
The baseball player. Broken wrist. He will live.
L'Hopital, you saved his life.
Thank you.